Kyle Walter with ICS. I'd like to welcome you today to the future site of Pleasant View Elementary. November 2019, taxpayers approved a $37.1 million referendum to replace the existing Pleasant View you see behind us. The building will be approximately 118,000 square feet. We will actually replace it. They'll be standing next to the existing building. Summer of 2022, we will end up finishing the building and then taking down the old building to create green space and parking lot. But wanted to take this time today to show you the site and hopefully some future videos to follow with updates. Thank you.